Trump administration recently announced that they are floating around the idea of a 50-year mortgage. So on today's edition of Things You Never Learned in School, we're talking about mortgages. Yay! Trust me, you're gonna want to stick around for this one. Mortgages weren't always a thing. Before the Great Depression, people would typically put down huge down payments, like 33%, and then take out a 5 to 7 year loan from the bank. Then they'd only pay interest for years and then have a balloon payment at the end. Of course, the system collapsed, and during the Great Depression, 1,000 homes foreclosed a day. Not good. So FDR and the gang decided to create the 30-year mortgage as part of the New Deal. The entire point was to make homeownership more accessible to the middle class so that they could build equity and achieve the American dream. And the 30-year mortgage is still very popular today. In 1991, the median home price in the US was $120,000. Today, in 2025, it's around $400,000. In 1991, the average first-time home buyer was 28 years old. Today, the average first-time home buyer is 40. Houses have become more and more unaffordable, and this is where the idea of the 50-year mortgage comes into play. The arguments for expanding to 50 years are that it's a win-win. Homeowners get to lower their monthly mortgage payments by hundreds of dollars, and banks get to collect more money off interest. And the arguments against are that it doesn't really address the problem, like at all. No one's asking to be paying their mortgage into their 90s. A few $100s off of your monthly mortgage isn't worth paying nearly double, in some cases, interest. To buy a $400,000 home with a 30-year fixed mortgage at 6%, you'll be paying around $463,000 in interest. Yes, more than the original price of the house. But with a 50-year mortgage, you'll be paying around $864,000 in interest, over double the price of the house. Homeowners would also build equity a lot slower, which causes a myriad of issues. Most experts are pointing out basic economics. We don't have enough homes. There's no point increasing demand if we don't have the supply. We simply do not have enough homes for young people. Now, we're building plenty of assisted living and nursing homes, because boomers have all the money and the money's where the incentive is, you know? And you might say, oh, well, when they move into those nursing homes, their homes will be available for sale. Yeah, and when they do decide to sell their home that they bought for 2 pennies and a ball of twine for $500,000, it just doesn't really work out for the younger generations. 15-year, 30-year, or 50-year mortgage, because the supply still isn't there. And the mortgage rates haven't come down. So what do you think? Are you trying to buy a home? Do you feel priced out? Or did you buy a home and you feel like those monthly payments are squeezing you? Let us know in the comments. You got this, and follow for more.